Just in time.
Hey, Goro. Wow. You look like a million eddies.
Is that so? That is not how I feel. I ate what you call a scat burger.
Aha! Wow, what'd you think? Tasty?
Ask the people below. The parade will soon begin. I adjusted the data from Okada-san. I advise you to examine it yourself. To begin with, the malware works. Truly, much better than I anticipated. Our eyes and ears are in the guard room. I observe the CCTV and I know where the sniper positions are. They are a trio. You must make each harmless before they do the same to me. There are many ways to reach them. The first is nearby. He should not be a problem. The second is worse. You will have to climb. As for the third, he hides on the footbridge over the street. We are here. Hanako-sama's platform will stop here, close to the emergency exit we will use when all is done. From these points, you will have a clear view of the parade, but the snipers will see things even better. If they notice you, bang, no more thief. If this sounds dangerous, consider that I must leap to the float, enter through a window and meet Hanako-sama face to face. The last is what I fear the most. Is all this clear? Are you ready?
Wait, if things go to shit, we got a backup plan?
What do you think? I am accused of betraying Arasaka. Soon I will try to confront the sister of the CEO in person. There are no backup plans. This one must work.
I'm ready. Question is, are you?
I formed this plan, did I not?
All while ignoring one crucial element. Your friend, Oda.
Oda is a man of honor. He would not dare raise his hand against me.
Maybe. But you're gonna be dropping in on Hanako by surprise.
You have a point. Instinct and reflexes win out at the moments like this.
So?
So I can only hope that I am still faster than he is.
Stay safe, Goro.
I am in position. The floats have started to move. Remember to be careful or you will face Arasaka drones. I also spotted the netrunner in her Arasaka uniform. She is somewhere hidden.
Okay, good to go.
Then let us begin. You must reach all snipers before Hanako-sama's float appears.
Hey, what's going on? Why doesn't
Saburo Arasaka.
silence is right?
It'll be beautiful. Oh, shouldn't even be out here. Back inside, back inside.
Saburo Arasaka.
You are close. He's almost in front of you. He's watching the crowd, not his back.
Won't know what hit him.
Attention all units. I have suspicious activity in Sector 3.
And CEO of the largest and greatest
Control, hold position. Balcony 2 floors up. Woman in red, I think she's on. Abort. I repeat, abort. She's holding binoculars.
My
Collect the junkie.
These words members of his family or his business associates. They are all his enemies.
Goro, took out the one closer.
No coincidence.
Now you must leap to the balcony by the green arrow and take the elevator. Take the footbridge at the top to cross the street.
Hush up!
This is important. Oda is speaking to someone. I am linking you in. We both can listen.
Again, security is substandard. It meets none of our norms. Hanako-sama should not be here. You questioning Yorinobu's orders? Do your damn job. Understood. Over and out.
It is just as we expected. Oda is here. I will contact you with any news.
I know that borged out ogre. Adam fucking Smasher.
Guy who killed you, right?
Guy, motherfucker's barely human. But hey, know what? I'm glad he's here.
You're glad.
Seeing as I woke up in a world without any Sabura, I'll have to be satisfied with Smasher.
You gotta be satisfied. You got fuck all to lose.
Alright, fine, we. Your finger on the fucking trigger, I guess.
Try to reach the maintenance area. You can climb up from there.
Don't think so. This Arasaka, you know. There's going to be any bloodletting.
Catwalk don't look too stable. Sure, Takamura didn't find a whoopsie.
Almost fell.
Careful. You must not draw attention.
Silence is not
You will have to get down somehow. Just be careful. Yes, just so. Don't rush. I need you alive, not the corpse below.
1 month after his final death showdown over Guadalcanal, Saburo Arasaka, pilot in the third squadron in the ranks of Master Sergeant, founder and CEO of the largest and greatest defense contractor in history, soldier, industrialist, visionary, my father. These words are not for his friends, members of his family, or for his business associates.
Just a few feet more and he's yours.
And it is no coincidence that I utter them here in this city. It was 50 years ago. Enemies showed their true colors. A cowardly act of terrorism that consumed 4,000 lives.
Understood, Hyper. Scanning the area.
Arasaka Tower,
The soldiers say, target down.
Good words to hear.
Each tower's
You will find a door to a staircase at the end of the room. It's the shortest route to the next sniper. He positioned himself high.
Keep me posted.
It was an act of violence.
P, it is Oda again. Listen.
We have to announce that public safety has been compromised. She must be extracted. At once. Arasaka is fully capable of protecting. its principles. Ask your boss what he values for. The Arasaka image or his sister's life.
Now do you hear? They know something. Perhaps not. We must hurry. Try to reach the maintenance area. You can climb up from there. And if that doesn't work, you can use the footbridge to your right. Watch out for the float jets, unless you intend to get cooked. I would keep my head low. Those pipes look strong. Try to climb them.
Hello? Careful! Target has corpses!
The shooter patrols the footbridge.
That would be all.
Yes, apparently. Well done. One problem remains.
And that is...
The Arasaka Netrunner. She has taken control of all the networks. You must get rid of her. We'll not be able to hijack the float otherwise. She hides in an unfinished apartment building, near to the second sniper's nest.
Okay, on my way. Oh shit, not good.
Now, B, I have attention. Pull up.
Been on a while. Time for a break. Fuck! Of course you're here!
Stop. You must try another way. Distance. What's the distance? Stay away from his blade. He will slice you like fish. Beware. He will activate camouflage. The group breaks in the light.
死ね You'll pay for it. You will not touch it. What is your status?
I'm sorry, Oda.
No,
Brought this on yourself, too.
no, you didn't have to.
He'd have done the same to me. You saw it!
I will remember this. There should be nothing standing in your way now. Oh, we press forward.
Okay, Preem. Online and in the system. Hanako's inside.
What is she doing?
Trying to call someone, I think.
Try to listen. Do not forget to disarm the alarms. I must be able to enter. なぜ止まったんだ?
危険だと警告されたの。小田とも連絡が取れないし、何か変だわ。
パレードを中止すれば弱さを露呈したと思われる。
弱さ？誰の？あなたの？
俺たちだ。
私が参加したのは、あくまでもお父様を追悼するため。操り人形になるためじゃないわ。
この見せ物ではみんなに役割がある。美智子は文句を言ってないぞ。だがお前が言うなら中止してもいい。全部やめだ。お前の安全が第一だからな。
兄さん、やり終えましょう。
ありがとう、花子。せっかくの式典だ。やり終えなければ悔いが残る。
Goro, all systems jammed. It's now or never.
お父様。
花子様、
あなたは
お許しを。どうか話だけでもお聞きください。三郎様は
父のことを口にしないで。
これが俺にできる最後のご奉仕なのです。三郎様の死について真実を明かすことは、花子様、無礼を働きたくありません。しかし V! Ram!
Shit!
He shot her.
Whatever he did, now we're really fucked.
Knew we couldn't trust him. What happened to keeping him on his leash? We'd best delta the fuck out of here.
You have no right to keep us here!
V, are you secure?
Yeah, for now. Lost your fucking mind?
There's no time to explain. We must meet.
Where are you?
An abandoned apartment block on Vine Street. Second floor. Number 303. Knock 4 times.
I look okay to you?
Hurry.
We're about to go live.